Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we got this beautiful Road Glide in for a huge audio upgrade. So we went with Cicada 10-inch mid-bass drivers, and we fiberglass reinforced the stock extended bags. We did 5 or 6 layers of fiberglass, reinforcement, Nagy reinforcement dowels, and we did Cicada carbon 10-inch mid-bass drivers. We did a Sound Digital 5000.1 on this. Since we're doing a 5000.1, whenever we do a 5000.1, we have to run dual batteries. So we ran Limitless Nano V3 under the seat, and we ran a Limitless Nano SL in the tour pack along with the 5000.1. In the fairing, we ran 2 Sound Digital 1200.4s. In the fairing, Euphoria xpert carbon 6.5 coax. In the lower, Euphoria xpert CFXLs, carbon fiber XL 8-inch in the lowers, Dirty Bird 8-inch lowers. We ended up running in the Avant black lids. We ran Cicada CHX carbon 8s. Then HKI Mini DSP, factory GTS radio, we flashed it, NVS audio oxygen free copper wiring kit, NVS audio RCAs. So we did a 0 gauge to the tour pack, and then 0 gauge from the tour pack battery to the 5000.1, fused on the input and the output side. Then we ran 2 4 gauge runs to the fairing, also fused to each of the 1200.4s. Bike sounds really, really good. Client was thinking about going with aftermarket bags to get bigger bass, but after he heard the bike, he said he might stop right here. The bike is loud, powerful, a nice full sound. I like the nice full sound from the Euphoria speakers. The only issue I have with Euphoria speakers, they require a ton of power. But when you give them the power that they want, they sound incredible. This bike came out nice, well put together, sounds amazing. We're happy with the way it sounds. The client's completely happy with the way it sounds. Check out the build. Shot caller, 20 blade, caller, get a leg tonight. Swiss and roll tight, got spray behind. I hit the highway, making money the flyway. But it's got to be a better way, yeah.
I'm a baller, I'm a 20-inch crawler, blaze on them collar, diamond rock waller, out 10 howler, never leading out a faller. Break these boys off, I'm a 20-inch crawler, bust a left or right. I'm out of sight, I'm throw, I'm bouncing off the road, I'm in a motor.
Hey, that's when the nigga lost me. Fantastical, that's what the hoes call me. Fire trip, I'm just fine. 12:45, about that time. Been get it all week, trying to unwind. Train like a tank, lose my mind. This shit crazy, way too bad. Rose, baby, waste to stay. Hardest thing in the lot, that damn mind. Can't spell so, lost my mind. Drop the top, no bra, got the titties out. Mention my name and bring the whole city out. Doing what I do best, deep boy stain. New car, old money, deep boy stain. Step in cleaner than a new Glock 40. My nickname in the A strapped up shorty. You know my nerve bad, trigger like a 2-pin. Line riding around the corner, boy, 2-pin. T-code 45, about that time. Been get it all week, trying to unwind. Train like a tank, lose my mind. This shit crazy, way too bad. Rose, baby, waste to stay. Hardest thing in the lot, that damn mind. Can't spell so, lost my mind. I'm reading voices in my head, think I'm schizophrenic. Swear they saying let's get it from another planet. With your permission, I just wanna spend a little time with you. talking about, baby. Show me how deep love can be. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Hear it for New York, New York, New York. One hand in the air for the big city. Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Big lights will inspire you. Hear it for New York, New York, New York. On the avenue, there ain't never a curfew. Ladies work so hard. Such a melting pot on the corner selling rock. Preachers pray to God. And the gypsy cab takes me down from Harlem to the Brooklyn Bridge. Someone sleeps tonight with the hunger for more than an empty fridge. I'ma make it by any means. I got a pocket full of dreams, baby.
All the niggas acting up where the wolves at. You better bust that if you gon' blow that. Yo, 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 man, I just don't know what it's gon' be. Fucking with a nigga like me. D to the M to the X. Last I heard, that niggas was having sex with the same sex. I show no love, the homo thug. Empty out, you throw most. How you gon' explain fucking a man? Even if it's what
How you go down, and I feel my whole body peeking, and I'm fucking anybody with their legs wide, getting faded with some bitches from the west side, east coast, nigga reppin' north side, never